Another one that has been on the to-do list for a while is HTTP proxy settings. ConnectALL does have global proxy settings, but they were applied inconsistently to different adapters. And the work that we've done in this release means that the adapters where we were previously falling into a hole are now supported, where the proxy settings are now part of the automation configuration. Previously, these could be configured as an advanced property of the automation, but that would put you in a weird state where the global proxy would be used when you were creating the automation, but not when you were trying to use it for sync, based on which components the global proxy settings were available to in ConnectALL. So you had to basically set the proxy settings twice for next-gen adapters. And you could only have a single set of proxy settings for your adapter validation initially, but you could have drift and it was not clear with the advanced properties. So now this is just done in line with the automation or with the connection creation. So if I look at my connections here, we'll take a look at this rally one. If I needed to use a proxy, I can now toggle that and it adds all my proxy settings here in line with the connection details. If the proxy was configured previously either as a global proxy or with automation-specific proxy details in the advanced properties, these have been migrated into the proxy settings in the connection details here. So it will continue to function. There's no customer intervention required. And then going forward, this proxy setting is used for this connection in all circumstances. And it just makes it more straightforward and easier to configure. Some time ago, there was a pretty big effort to try and figure out why the proxy settings weren't working at a particular customer site when they were doing their POC. This now addresses that and should make it easy going forward with next-gen adapters. We do plan to expand this in the future, particularly for the LLM adapters, and then any other adapters that we update would receive settings in the same manner.